today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a VGA monitor to MacBook Pro. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Most, or rather all MacBook models nowadays don't have a VGA port natively available, so you won't be able to establish a connection by directly using a VGA cable. Instead, you need to use an adapter. The adapter is going to serve as the bridge between the VGA monitor with the VGA cable and the MacBook. So look for the suitable adapter. You can look for USB-C to VGA, or if you prefer, HDMI to VGA. It doesn't really matter. As far as I'm aware, there aren't going to be a lot of differences, so purchase whichever adapter you prefer. You will plug one end of the adapter into the appropriate port on the MacBook, and this will give you access to the VGA port. So in this example here, a USB-C to VGA adapter. Like I said before, the USB-C end goes into the MacBook, and now you have access to a VGA port. By using a standard VGA cable, you can finish making this connection. So plug one end of the cable into the adapter currently connected to the MacBook, and the other end of the VGA cable will go into the monitor. After this connection is established between the monitor and the MacBook, power it on and ensure that it is receiving external power, usually from a power supply connected to a power outlet. Power on the monitor, make sure that the source is selected accordingly, and you will be able to use your monitor in conjunction with your MacBook regardless of the model. Just purchase the corresponding adapter and establish a connection with a VGA cable. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.